Hi guys, a lot of my viewers have been complaining that they are unable to use the new US appointment booking website. Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you how to navigate through the website. Okay, to to start, kindly visit their website. The new website is www.usvisaappt.com. That is US VISAAPPT.com. On the landing page, you are going to see different countries there. In Africa, you have Burkina Faso, Cameroon, Cote d'Ivoire, Democratic Republic of Congo, Gambia, Ghana, Liberia, Nigeria, Rwanda, and Sierra Leone. In Europe, you have Belgium, France, and Netherlands. These are the countries that can access the new US visa appointment website. If you just found this video, my name is Alaba. I'm a travel enthusiast and a content creator. I make travel related videos. I give immigration tips, visa application practices, and visa procedures from time to time. Today, I'm going to show you how to set up. Today, I'm going to show you how to sign up for the US appointment booking website. Okay, so visit the website and click on login. After clicking on login, click on new user. Then you input your details to register to book an appointment. So this is like a tutorial, so I'm just putting in random names. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to put a Nigerian number like I'm applying from Nigeria, or like I want to book an appointment in Nigeria. So I'm thinking of the number to add right now. So I think I'm going to use my nephew's number. So I'm putting that right in. I'm trying to get a number. So I think, yeah, I have it now. After putting the number, you have to put an email address where a confirmation email will be sent to for you to activate the account. So I'm doing that right away. I'm thinking of an email to use for the purpose of this video. So I'm still checking the email to use. I don't know. Let me see. I'm still checking. I'm still checking the email to use. While I get the email, if you like this video, please like the video. And if you're yet to subscribe, please subscribe to support me. If you have any questions concerning this video, please go to the comment section to let me know your thoughts. I'm still skeptical about the email address to use for this tutorial. I don't know if this email is going to fly, but let me just see. I think I'll use another one. I'm having issues with the app, so I just found my way around it. So after inputting the email, the phone number, and your full name, Then you click on continue. I've clicked on continue. Then you'll be required to set your password. So I'm trying to set a password now. Note that after you must have completed this process, you accept the terms and condition and privacy policy. Then you check the box that you are not a robot. After inputting all this information, then your account will be set up. Note that after completing the account opening process, your account will be on inactive. To activate your account, you'll need to log in to your email address. The US consulate will send you a confirmation email to confirm that your account has been successfully opened. So once the account is opened, you click on that email to activate the account. After activating the account, then you can log into your account. Okay. I'm still trying to battle with the I'm still battling with the password to set up the account. Once the password match, the create an account option will turn to a deep blue. It's still on sky blue right now. So what that means is that the password I imputed is not correct. You have to combine 12 characters, that is the mixture of numbers, letters, and symbols. I think what I imputed at first does not contain these characters.